So when you buy something online, it's a little impersonal. But what I like is my buying experience to be a journey. And I tell you what, I think I found a company that exemplifies the journey or the experience. I recently ordered from Beardbrand some more products, and it came in a simple brown box. But when you open it, you're greeted to a black envelope. Inside the black envelope, they've included a book of reminders and a Beardbrand sticker. Now, this isn't my first one. The other one came with the same sticker and a 2023 calendar. Both very useful and very much appreciated. Then, when you open the box, you see that they've wrapped it very, very neatly in black wrapping with a Beardbrand sticker on it. Peel that back, and inside is the product you ordered. Now, if that's not an experience, I don't know what is.